Speake's Plumbing Incorporated is your complete source for all your residential and commercial plumbing needs. We have been serving the needs of our customers in the Garland, Plano, and Richardson area since 1987. Our services include electric sewer and sink drain cleaning, fixtures and fixture repair, disposals, and much more. We always send a licensed plumber to do the work, so you can rest easy that we will get the job done right the first time. Our phone is always answered by a licensed plumber, so for stress-free plumbing, call Speake's Plumbing today.